nerve cells. What are nerve cells? Yeah, nerve cells that are present in your brain, in your spinal cord. Those are nerve cells. Okay. What is the function of nerve cell? Yeah. Okay. And how does it do? Okay. You can feel the exactly the same thing. It transmits the signals. It transmit the signals and then bring about the response. Good. Okay. Then there are, okay, we have discussed the, sorry, we have discussed muscle cells, we have discussed nerve cells, epithelial cells. What are epithelial cells? The name, see, okay, same. It's a skin cells, let's say. The skin cells are epithelial cells, okay, which form the outer surface or inner surface. Okay, your whole body has epithelial cells, even the inner lining of your body. The inner lining of your body is also made up of epithelial cells. The outer and inner lining both are made up of epithelial cells. Okay, the inner lining of the intestine is also made up of epithelial cell. Okay, whatever the inner like space or even in our body or outside our body, it is all epithelial cell. Okay, the last one is the connective tissue. Okay, I'm giving an example. Your bone is a connective tissue. How do you explain it? Your bone is an connective tissue. It's a type of connective tissue. Your blood is a type of connective tissue. Okay, let me give you a diagram. Oh, diagram is not pasted. Okay, so your blood is a type of connective tissue. Okay, what do you think? What is the purpose of connective tissue? What can be the purpose? Okay, I've given you an example. Bone, blood, it supports and connect. Like your bones, yeah, your bones support your body. Okay, then the blood connects all the body parts. It takes nutrients from one part to another. Okay, so its function is to support and connect. Okay, let's revise again. The very first thing we read about the uh, different type of cells is the muscle cells. The muscle cells help in the movement by contraction and relaxation. Okay, what is the function of nerve cells? The function is to, exactly, good, and bring about response. Okay, what is the function of epithelial cells? They make the, good, they make the lining, inner lining as well as skin. What is the function of connective tissue? To support and connect. So the name is connective tissue. So connect. Okay. So these are different type of tissue. Oh, sorry, different type of cells. Okay, let's talk about organization of your body, how your body is organized from cells. Okay, let's say the very basic unit is, let me change the pen. It's getting boring. Okay, organization. first thing is cell. Cells make up the similar cells that have the same function. They group together to make a tissue. Okay. Now similar tissues, they group together to make an organ. Okay. Related organs group together to make organ system. Let me give you an example. Muscles. Muscles connect together to make muscular tissue. Okay. Your heart is a type of muscular organ. Now different tissues, they work together as an organ. So your heart is an organ. Now if we take an example of heart, the blood vessels, blood, it collectively make circulatory system. Is it so? So this is how your body is made. Same cells with same function, they group together as a tissue. Same type of tissue, they group together to make an organ. Now here we don't use the word same because there are different organs that have the related function or the similar function. The related organs, they group together to form an organ system. Okay? Okay. Now you have different type of organs. Can you name any one else than the circulatory system? Okay. Excretory system. Okay. Any other system? So you must know, you must need to tell me certain parts of the cells, certain part of the system. Like, I wouldn't want, I'm going to tell you a name, you need to tell me the organs. The name is digestive system. Okay, stomach is one organ. Any other organ? Good. What else? Yes, liver. Small intestine, good. Large intestine, good. So you know the names now. Okay. Uh, let's have a little like a little practice on the questions. Like what can we write in the answers? I'm just checking. Okay. Uh, have you tried the quizzes? Can I give you one like can I give you one quiz as a homework? I'll share the link. Okay. I'll share the link and then you have to attempt it. I actually no, not now, not now. I'm. We are going to discuss a few questions. Wait, just give me a minute. I'm just looking for where is that like whole thing goes because I'm going to teach you the systems now. Okay. Shall I give you questions on system? Would you able to do that? Sure. Okay. Uh, I've given you one question here. Can you match each tissue with its function? It's a question for you. Okay. So you need to tell me what is the function of what. You can read it first of all and then tell me the answers. Read it carefully. There's no need to hurry. last one. Okay. Contraction and movement.